How did so many Jane Street traders wind up at FTX? Established in 1999, quantitative trading firm Jane Street has grown to become a multi-billion-dollar Wall Street giant. The firm employs thousands of employees and, even though it's not required to file public financials, it disclosed $7.8 billion in earnings on $17 trillion worth of securities trades after its fiscal year 2020. However, perhaps the most interesting thing about the New York-headquartered company is that it employed 5 workers who subsequently went on to participate in Sam Bankman-Fried's ill-fated FTX empire. It employed Sam Bankman-Fried himself and Caroline Ellison, the criminally indicted CEOs of Alameda Research. Jane Street also employed Duncan Reinigan's Yu and Sam Bankman-Fried's former romantic partner, Sha-Young Lily Zhang. The pair received a combined $400 million from Sam Bankman-Fried. The company also employed Sam Bankman-Fried's brother, Gabe Bankman-Fried. Gabe would later quit to run political donations through ostensibly non-profit organizations funded by Sam Bankman-Fried, namely Guarding Against Pandemics and Building a Stronger Future. Based on bankruptcy filings, substantially all money that Sam Bankman-Fried used to pay these people came from deposits by FTX customers. Although these people met at Jane Street, all of them had left by the time they began working at FTX. There's no evidence that Jane Street had any involvement in their FTX-related misdeeds. Sam Bankman-Fried invited former colleagues to join him at FTX. After joining Jane Street in 2013, Sam Bankman-Fried claimed to have specialized in trading international exchange-traded funds. He started as a Jane Street intern and then joined as a full-time trader after college. However, he maintained close ties with his former co-workers. For example, his brother became a trader, and it's public knowledge that he had romantic relations with at least 2, Lily and Caroline. Shortly before the collapse of Bankman-Fried's companies, Alameda Research invested another $300 million atop its prior $100 million investment into Bahamas-based Modulo Capital, not to be confused with Brazil's giant conglomerate Modulo. Sam Bankman-Fried's former Jane Street colleague Sha-Young Lily Zhang and Duncan Reinigan's Yu operated Modulo Capital. Precluding any doubt about this obvious connection, Modulo Capital established its headquarters in the same Albany resort as Sam Bankman-Fried's personal residence. Sam Bankman-Fried's once lover and former Alameda Research CEO, Caroline Ellison, left Jane Street to join his lawless operation in March 2018. In a Forbes feature, she misleadingly described her departure from Jane Street as Sam Bankman-Fried recruiting her over a cup of coffee in California. Jane Street as a firm has not publicly commented on the activities of 5 of its former employees. Again, Protos is not aware of any evidence linking Jane Street to the misdeeds of FTX. Head of Institutional Strategy Mina Nguyen said a variety of institutions remain confident in Jane Street's expertise in legitimate participation in the digital asset industry. Crypto becoming more important for Jane Street. By 2017, and with nearly 2 decades of experience in market making, Jane Street started trading cryptocurrencies. It expanded its market-making operations on the world's crypto exchanges. Recently, it has discussed plans to offer liquidity and trade on decentralized exchanges. Predictably, as crypto has become more profitable, the company has expanded its operations. While the company doesn't delineate how much money it makes specifically from digital asset trading, it does generate reports for its investors. Naturally, its digital asset-related activity comes with overhead, like hiring people to handle the complicated accounting and back-office functions. Dozens of Jane Street employees either trade digital assets or handle the associated tax, custody, and record keeping. We've reached out to Jane Street for a comment and will update this story accordingly if and when it responds. This article has been updated to remove an outdated quote from a company spokesperson regarding 2021 that was misdated to 2023. References to Robinhood have also been removed. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter and Google News, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.